Okay, today we will consider excuse me, we will consider the part which we have left back. That is related to the Calentry Awards. Okay, I think we should start. I'm going to share the screen. Okay. See, in some of the next PPTs, which you can consider only as a raw thing. Actually, they have not groomed. That particular part is remain back, but still, I would be sharing some of the views to you related to some of the points regarding the Parmveer Chakra. So you may see some sort of paragraphs, right? Uh, in fact, it's not a style of mine to explain or describe any of the point, but since, as I said, it is not groomed completely anyway, and just I wanted to convey one or two highlights related to the Parmveer Chakra. Already we considered so many other different things, but still some of the things which are technically important and revision of some of the other points can be considered. So the name of the award, which is being translated as the Wheel of the Ultimate Brave. So that is what the always said about Parmveer Chakra. Uh, it is a medal in a circular disc made of a bronze, having its dimensions of 3.49 centimeter. Its front side and back side, obverse and reverse, you may consider, right? There would be the national emblem of India, right? And obviously some of the other things are there. I'm right. Uh, okay, so yes, the ribbon to which it is being suspended, right, which is of 3.2 centimeters long, which is of purple color, right, and that would be holding the chakra. There are some of the regulations which are very important as far as this particular chakra or this particular point is concerned. So there would be, I think, 11-10 rules we may you may say, right? Again, only some of them I would be in fact I would be taking you through all the 11, but I would be looking into only few which are really important, right? Rest of the you can go through at your own. I would be providing these things to you, right? So decoration shall be in the form of medal, which is styled and designed as the PVC, right? So the Okay, this is related to ribbon. Yes, this is being awarded for most conspicuous bravery, or some daring, or the preeminent act of valor, or the self-sacrifice in the presence of enemy, right? Uh, whether it is on the land, at the sea, or in the air, right? Posthumously, you know already it. Yes, the distinction, this is a distinction which is conferred by, in fact, rather it shall be conferred by the President of India. After, yes, conferred, after conferring by this chakra, the name of that particular awardee, right, upon this decoration may be conferred, it shall be published in the Gazette of India. Right. So the name of awardee should be published in the Gazette of India. Then another point we can consider here, certain, yes, this can be owed in certain occasions by those whom the decoration is awarded. Right? So that is related to the hearing about it. So who is this Deepak? Will you please mute your mic? My advice to every one of you that repeatedly this should not happen. Right. So I think you are enough serious about these things. So you may take care about these things so that it would not break the tempo or the rhythm. Okay. Now, by considering all these things, right, you have further three different things which are really important, that you can always consider as far as the PVC is concerned. Right? These are some of the rules which are really important. So, very first one is there is a monthly stipend. Right? I'm saying monthly stipend. Right? Those who are getting conferred by Paramveer Chakra or the Paramveer awardees will get monthly stipend of 20,000, right, along with their regular pay. So whatever maybe their regular payment is there, apart from that, they would be getting 20,000 rupees extra payment. Right? You can just consider the occasion, right, or consider a point, right, which is from 1999, wherein we do have three alive recipients. So two are from the Kargil War of 1999. So one is Yogendra Singh Yadav, who was merely 18 years old at that time of or while receiving that particular award, right? And he is the youngest one. Already we have considered one youngest, that is Arun Khetrapal, but that is from officers cadre, right, who was only merely of 21 years old. The Yogendra Singh Yadav was, today he is of 41 years old, right? So you can consider at that time how many years old he was. He was just completed 18 years of his age. So he got awarded by this particular award, and since then he is getting a monthly stipend, right? Apart from his regular payment, you can consider this particular thing, right? There are many more things which I can we bring to you, right? Yes, this is another second point is the award amount as well as the pension benefits which are exempted from income tax, right? Second one is, in addition to this particular monthly stipend and benefit from the income tax, different ministries under the central government are having various financial awards for Paramveer Chakra winners, right? So various financial awards you can consider, which are being given by or which are being yes, given away by the different ministries, right? So that particular point you may uh, consider as far as this particular uh, point is concerned. Now, in this particular, what I can tell you, relatively unknown convention. Okay, at this moment, what I can tell you that central government, right? Different ministries of the central government. But apart from this, there are many states in India, right, who have established individual pensions or rewards uh, that are except than the central government stipend and the pensions. So, for example, I can tell you the Haryana government had a uh, cash amount of 20 million rupees. Telangana government is having 10 million rupees award. Likewise, each and every state is having some sort of say amount. Our state, right, Maharashtra is having 2.5 million rupees as the award, right? So uh, obviously in this list, Haryana is at the top rank. Second one would be Telangana, you can consider. Now here I wanted to tell you one more thing, which is very essential for say an individual, particularly one of these three alive awardees, that is Captain, in fact, honorary Captain Bana Singh, Yogendra Singh Yadav, right, who is right now Subedar, and again the Subedar Sanjay Kumar, right? Basically, he was rifleman, right? So Subedar Sanjay Kumar, right? So these are the three alive PVCs. Now, as I have given you the say it's what I can say. As I stated that the state's government have offered these different kinds of say honorariums, I can say pensions or awards. Now, in this particular case, if you consider one more point, which is being really important, and that is related to honorary Captain Bana Singh. So he had been retired in 1996, right, as the honorary captain at his retirement. So, no, he had been retired in 2000, right, on the, I think in the month of October 2000. So he is basically belonging to Jammu and Kashmir, right? Listen this particular point, जरूर ध्यान से सुन लेना इस पॉइंट को, ठीक है? बाना सिंह जो है वो जम्मू कश्मीर से बिलोंग करते हैं, and at that time Jammu Kashmir government had announced him a pension. मैं कब की बात कर रहा हूँ? 2000 की बात कर रहा हूँ. So at that time government announced a pension of 166 rupees per month. You just consider amount. When? In 2000. Now, for this 166 rupees of pension per month, being a PVC awardee, Bahana Singh protested against this particular low amount, right? And he pointed out that the neighboring state, that is Punjab, right, is providing, even Himachal Pradesh and Punjab both are providing a pension of 10,000 rupees monthly, and my own state is providing only me 166 rupees. Right? So he had protested against this particular point, and then this issue was resolved. And further, in the next few years, that is in 2006, Punjab government, which was being led by today's Chief Minister, Captain Amrinder Singh, he had announced a cash award. He had announced a cash award to Captain Bana Singh, which was of rupees 10 lakh, right? Which was of rupees 10 lakh. He had been presented a check by Prakash Singh Badal in the 2000, in the month of March 2007. So in 2006 latter part, the elections had been happened in Punjab and the government changed. So it was initiated by the then Chief Minister, Captain Amrinder Singh, but it was conferred by Prakash Singh Badal, right, who was Chief Minister in 2007. And further, Punjab government had offered a Bana Singh the amount of 25 lakh rupees apart from the earlier 10 lakh rupees, but they have one condition for that: 25 lakh rupees, then 15,000 rupees monthly allowance, a 25 acre plot, government plot, which was having a price which was worth of crore rupees. Only thing is that he has to move to the Punjab, right? He has to become the citizen of Punjab instead of Jammu and Kashmir, right? This was the proposal put forward or put behind the, sorry, put before the honorary captain Bana Singh. So क्या होना था इस केस में? Bana Singh straight away refused this particular proposal, right, of getting 25 lakh rupees, 15,000 per month pension, and 25 acres plot. So he rejected it and he said that no, I would not be moving to Punjab. I wanted to be the citizen of Jammu and Kashmir, right? But then what had happened? Jammu and Kashmir government decided to name a stadium, right, in his memory. So that was a point you may consider, or which I wanted to tell you, right? So that's what you will be having. Apart from these things, relatively there would be unknown convictions in Indian Army for the Paramveer Chakra recipients, right, to be saluted. So what exactly this means, right? चाहे आप जनरल हो, चाहे आप लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल हो, चाहे आप मेजर जनरल हो, चाहे आप ब्रिगेडियर हो, चाहे आप कर्नल हो, चाहे आप लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल हो, या फिर मेजर हो, या फिर कैप्टन हो, या फिर लेफ्टिनेंट हो। जैसे मानिए अभी ये जो तीनों भी लाइव पीवीसी रेसिपिएंट्स है, उनमें से तो कोई भी आज की तारीख में वो तो सारे जेसीओ है, ठीक है। मान लीजिए कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह कमीशन ऑफिसर कह सकते हैं, राइट, बट इन फैक्ट इट इज स्पेशली ऑनर्ड बाय ऑनररी रैंक कॉल्ड कैप्टन। बट बचो जो दो है, और सूबेदार संजय कुमार एंड सूबेदार योगेंद्र सिंह यादव, इनकी रैंक तो जेसीओज है, अभी जूनियर कमीशन ऑफिसर्स है। और मैंने अभी जितनी भी रैंक्स कही है, राइट, सो देयर इज ए कन्वेंशन। कन्वेंशन क्या है? अगर योगेंद्र सिंह यादव जनरल के सामने आ जाते हैं, राइट, देन जनरल विल सैल्यूट हिम, राइट, इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ हिज रैंक। वैसे तो आमतौर पे ये बात थोड़ी, इट साउंड्स लिटिल बिट ऑड, बट ये होता है, राइट। दिस इज ए काइंड ऑफ कन्वेंशन यू कैन कंसिडर। वैसे आर्मी में हर सैल्यूट का रिस्पॉन्स सैल्यूट से दिया जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे एक अलग कन्वेंशन है कि अगर वो पर पीवीसी अवार्डी है तो उसको इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ उसकी जो पोस्ट है, राइट, उसकी डेजिग्नेशन है, सैल्यूट किया जाता है आमतौर पे इन रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ सैल्यूट। जैसे मानिए जनरल को अगर कोई सूबेदार सैल्यूट करता है तो, राइट, उसकी सम्मान में जनरल भी सैल्यूट कर लेते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ पे इन दिस केस ऑफ पीवीसी वो यहाँ पे राह नहीं देखेंगे कि इसने सैल्यूट किया कि नहीं किया, राइट। एज सुन एज दे अपीयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम, probably they would be saluting each other at the same time. Okay, so we have considered so many things related to very first one, that is Paramir Chakra, and now some of the others have been remained. So one by one, I will be quickly taking you through these. Next one is a Mahavir Chakra. Right. So already one we have considered among these six, and that are called the wartime gallantry awards. Right. I may now categorize these three. Right. The Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, and Veer Chakra. These are the three awards which are termed as the what I can say, which are termed as the uh, wartime awards, right? Wartime gallantry awards in particular. So second one is the Mahavir Chakra. So you may consider it as second highest military decoration in India. This particular chakra is being awarded for the acts of conspicuous gallantry, right? Carefully read the word called acts. It is not a single act, right? It can be a series of acts, right? Or ample of acts. So awarded for acts of conspicuous gallantry in the presence of enemy, whether it is on the land, at the sea, or in the air, right? Which is being awarded, right? So for the gallantry, how does it look? It looks, you can see here the obverse and the reverse. So ये सामने वाला part, ये उसके पीछे वाला part, ये है ribbon, right? ये है वो एक strip, ठीक है? So I will tell you about this particular point. Fine. So this is what you can consider obverse and reverse. Now यहाँ पर you would see a star, right? 5-pointed star in which the national emblem in a circle is embossed on the front side. It is also always called as obverse, right? And at the reverse, you would be having a Mahavir Chakra written in Hindi as well as in English, and it is being wrapped by the petals, right? Lotus wreath. So here, whatever this part is called, ये गुलाब की सॉरी जो लोटस है उसकी पंखुड़ियां है, Now about this ribbon, you would be having a combination of ribbon, right, like this. So each of these are having its significances. Just wait for some moments till we come across a kind of ribbons, right? Because आप लड़ाई के मैदान में ये हर वक्त ये चक्र लगा के घूम तो नहीं सकते हम, right? So, but in order to distinguish it, you would be always considering, or you will be always going for having a kind of representation. So उसका equivalent इस चक्र का equivalent ये ribbon है, fine. So this this medal is being made up of standard silver, which is circular in shape. Its obverse is embossed, right, by a 5-pointed heraldic star. You can consider this particular structure called 5-pointed heraldic star with circular centerpiece bearing, right? And this particular heraldic star, right, which is gilded with a state emblem of India in the center. Add related to its reverse, the words Mahavir Chakra are embossed in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers in the middle, right? In between these two, you see whatever. Now, this particular decoration is being worn on the left chest. In fact, all the medals, right, or all these chakras, right, are being worn on left chest. So, with a white, half white and half orange ribbon, and that ribbon is of 32 millimeters in the width, right? So the orange being near the left shoulder, right? उसको कैसे पहनना है, इसकी भी एक उसका भी एक प्रोटोकॉल है, राइट? सो ये कॉम्बिनेशन है व्हाइट और ऑरेंज का, लेकिन ऑरेंज की साइड होना चाहिए, उसका डायमेंशंस क्या है, ये सब दिया है. Till date, more than 222 such acts of bravery, or you may say the selfless courage, which have been recognized by Mahavir Chakra. Right? There is a provision that this particular award can be conferred for a second time. Right? So this can be given a second time to the, in fact, all these 6 awards you may consider, which can be offered repeatedly, right? So such kind of provisions are there for all these things, right? Now, till date, is there anybody who have received this particular chakra twice? Yes, there are 6 recipients, right, who have received this particular award twice, and these 6 names are Wing Commander Jagmohan Nath, who received first award on 1st January 1962, and again second time, right? It was received on 1st September 1965. Later on, Major General Rajendra Singh Sparrow, who received this particular award first time on 19th of March 1948, and second time on 6th September 1965. General Arun Sridhar Vaidya, who received this particular award in 16th of September 1965, and second in the War of 1971. Wing Commander Padmanabhan Gautam, first in 65, second in 71. Colonel Chewang Rinken, first in 1948, second in 1971. And Brigadier Sant Singh, first in 1965, second in 1972. Right. So these are the 6 people who have been awarded twice by Mahavir Chakra. Fine. Now, what is the significance of each of these? So, just for an example, I have considered these ribbons. Right? आपने अक्सर देखा होगा किसी सोल्जर के, किसी ऑफिसर के लेफ्ट साइड के पॉकेट के ऊपर ये ऐसे कुछ स्ट्रिप्स लगी हुई रहती है. उनका मतलब क्या है? राइट. इस हर स्ट्रिप का एक अलग अलग मतलब है. No doubt, I'm also taking you through all these technical details in another session, but as an example, you can consider. जैसे मानिए ये एक स्ट्रिप है, ये एक स्ट्रिप है, ये एक स्ट्रिप है, ये एक स्ट्रिप है. कितनी हो गई? 4. और ये ऊपर एक 5, 6 और 7. ठीक है, ये अलग अलग 7 स्ट्रिप हो गई. अब हर किसी का स्ट्रक्चर अलग है, कलर अलग है, उसकी डिजाइनिंग अलग है. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि वो अलग अलग कैटेगरी से बिलोंग करती है. तो जैसे मानिए पहली कैटेगरी हो गई यहाँ पर. राइट. सो ये है यूनियन मिशन, राइट, इन कॉन्गो. अगर किसी सैनिक ने, किसी अफसर ने कॉन्गो में अपनी यूनाइटेड नेशंस की पीस कीपिंग जो फोर्स है, उसमें अगर किसी ने अपनी सेवा दी है तो उसको इस मेडल से सम्मानित किया जाएगा. राइट. ये मिल जाएगा. मेडल भी है और ये स्ट्रिप भी है. ठीक है. मेडल तो सिर्फ जब भी कोई ओकेजन है तभी लगा सकते हैं, आमतौर पे मेडल नहीं लगाए जाते. उसके बाद ये वाला है जिसकी सर्विस, राइट, 9 इयर्स लॉन्ग सर्विस हो गई है. उसके बाद ये है जिसकी विदेश सेवा सर्विस हो गई है, राइट, जिसको विदेश सेवा मेडल कहा जाता है. फिर ये है हाई अल्टीट्यूड सर्विस. ठीक है. ये है फिर सैन्य सेवा मेडल. राइट. ये है फॉर स्पेशल सर्विस मेडल. और ये रहा लास्ट वाला. राइट. ये मैंने किसी ऑफिसर का लिया हुआ था. ठीक है. तो वैसा का वैसा आ गया पोस्टुमसली. ठीक. आई थिंक ही वाज वेरी रिसेंटली awarded Mahavir Chakra awardee. I think his name is Colonel. Okay, I'm not able to recall it right now, the name, but he was of rank of Colonel. So he was of barely 36 years old, basically belonging to Hyderabad. And in the August 2020, he had some disputes at China border, right? So regarding that, it was fine. So you may consider. So these are the different things, right? Or these are the different recipients who have been awarded twice this particular award. Now, the third in this particular rank of the highest military gallantry awards. So third highest military decoration of India is Veer Chakra. So first is Paramveer Chakra, second is Mahavir Chakra, now third one is the Veer Chakra. Fine. So it's again wartime. Yes, Santosh Babu, exactly. Colonel Santosh Babu. Good. Thank you, Shantanu. Right. So you know, his wife has also inducted into short service commission, right? And I think very recently she had completed her training and now she is entered into Indian Army as lieutenant, right? So after Colonel Santosh Babu passed away, she decided to go for the induction as an officer. So currently she is the lieutenant in the Indian Army. Right. Okay. Again, this is a wartime military award presented for the acts of conspicuous gallantry. You will be finding out this particular statement common for these three awards because uski basic eligibility wahi hai, right? That to be in the presence of enemy on the land, at the sea, and in the air. Fine. ये चक्र दिखता कैसे है, right? So you can see here, right? Again, same kind of things, only the some sort of changes, right? ये इसके पीछे वाला जो हिस्सा है, ऑबवर्स एंड रिवर्स। फाइन, ये है उसकी रिबन, ठीक है। अर्लियर व्हाइट एंड सैफ्रॉन, यहाँ पे डार्क ब्लू एंड सैफ्रॉन की मिक्सिंग। फाइन, so this medal is made up of standard silver, which is circular in shape. It its obverse is embossed, right, by a 5-pointed heraldic star. Earlier was the gilded star, now this is heraldic star with circular centerpiece bearing the gilded state emblem of India, right? So you can see here. And the words called Veer Chakra are embossed in Hindi and English on the reverse with two lotus flowers in between them. This particular is decoration is worn on the left chest with a half white and no, this is not half. In fact, it is, I could have left it out. Half dark blue and half orange saffron, right? So with about with a ribbon about, yes, with a ribbon about of 32 millimeters in width, having a half dark blue and half orange saffron. Fine, you may see this particular point. That is the yes, that is true. Vardhaman, Abhinandan Vardhaman, right? Okay. The decoration, right, having a ribbon of half dark blue and half orange saffron. Till date, 1,339 acts of bravery and selfless courage have been recognized by Veer Chakra. Fine. So this kind of particular thing. The next award you will be coming across is nothing but Ashok Chakra, which is equivalent to the Paramveer Chakra, in fact, peacetime equivalent. So it is again India's highest peacetime military decoration, which is being awarded for valor, courageous action, or self-sacrifice. Only difference between this award and Paramveer Chakra is that Paramveer Chakra is being awarded for the conspicuous gallantry on battlefield in the presence of enemy, right? Whereas Ashok Chakra is being awarded it for the same things or same conspicuous gallantry, but away from the battlefield. It is not in the battlefield, it is in the peace region, right? So you can consider civilian area, right, for simplicity. So it is a peacetime equivalent of Paramveer Chakra, right? It is equivalent of Paramveer Chakra, but this is in the battlefield, this is in the peacetime. How does it look? It looks like this, right? And it has this kind of ribbon, fine. So here you can see Ashok Chakra, right? So this is being, this can be awarded either to military or civilian person, right? Civilian are also eligible to receive this particular chakra. So it is circular gold gilt, which is 1 inch and 3 by 8 inches in diameter. At the center, Ashok Chakra is there, which is surrounded by lotus wreath and within the ornate edge. There are the words called Ashok Chakra, which are embossed in Hindi as well as English on the reverse, with two lotus flowers in middle. This is being worn on left chest with a dark green with a 2 millimeter central saffron strip. Right. Till date, 98 awardees, right, or 98 such chakras have been awarded for the acts of bravery and selfless courage, right? So that's what you can have as far as Ashok Chakra is concerned. Next you will come across is the Kirti Chakra, which is the India's second highest peacetime military decoration, used for valor, courageous action, or self-sacrifice, again away from the battlefield. So it is equivalent to the Mahavir Chakra, right? It is equivalent, or I may say the Kirti Chakra is nothing but the peacetime equivalent of Mahavir Chakra, right? So see, always remember these equivalences. That will tell you, or that will enable you to understand exactly what these awards are telling you. So how does it look, right? So uh, as like same as the Ashok Chakra is, right? Same front end, same back end. Only thing is that the names have been changed. Here the Kirti Chakra is written, Kirti Chakra is written, right? And the ribbon is changed, right? It was earlier was just having one strip of 2 millimeters of saffron color. Here it has two, right? Basically this is 8.5 millimeters, 9 millimeters, 8.5 millimeters, right? This is 2 millimeters, 2 millimeters. You can consider in this way. It is of 30 millimeters. This can be awarded either to military or civilian person, which is circular, having the dimensions of 1 and 3/8 inches, made up of silver. In the center, you would be finding out a Ashok Chakra surrounded by a lotus wreath, and the words called Ashok Kirti Chakra are embossed in Hindi and English on the reverse with two lotus flowers in meter, right? देखा होगा कि दो writings के बीच, दो नाम के बीच, you would be finding out the lotus flowers. This would be worn with a ribbon about 3 centimeter, that is 30 millimeter in width, of dark green with two 2 millimeter saffron stripes. जैसे आपने अभी देखा होगा, ठीक है, saffron strip, दो saffron strip of 2 millimeters. Till date, 494 acts of bravery and selfless courage have been recognized. That means what? Till date, 494 Kirti Chakras have been awarded. Herein again, you will be having a soldier, right? And that is only one soldier who has been awarded both Kirti Chakra and Ashok Chakra, right? As like we have the Captain Vikram Batra, right, who had awarded Mahavir Chakra as well as Paramvir Chakra, right? So like a case, here you can consider Ashok Chakra and the Kirti Chakra, right? So only one soldier who making him the most decorated soldier, right, for his bravery. That is nothing but the Colonel Yanj Nair. So Colonel has been awarded with Kirti Chakra and Ashok Chakra, both, right? And this is the only soldier we do have. At the last, you will come across Shaurya Chakra. This is a last award as far as the peacetime awards is concerned. So it is a third highest peacetime military decoration, which is awarded for valor, courageous action, or self-sacrifice, that to be again away from the battlefield. It is a peacetime equivalent of Veer Chakra, right? So Paramveer Chakra, Ashok Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Kirti Chakra, now Veer Chakra, Shaurya Chakra. These are the pairs and two categories. Fine. So it is nothing but the peacetime equivalent of Veer Chakra. How does it look? So simply you can see here, right? So this is the ribbon. It can be awarded for military or civilian person, right? So you can just look at these two images. So again, circular of, see, all these chakras are of same dimensions, right? Circular in nature. Only the material is different, right? This is made up of bronze. At the center, you will find out again Ashok chakra, which is surrounded by a lotus wreath, right? And the words Shaurya chakra are being embossed in the Hindi as well as English on the reverse with two lotus flowers in the middle. This decoration is worn on the left chest with a ribbon of green color. And this ribbon is divided into 4 equal parts by 3 orange vertical lines. Right. Till date, 2,150 acts of bravery and selfless courage have been recognized. Right. Means what? 2,150 Shaurya chakras are being conferred, right, till that. So that's what you may consider regarding these 6 chakras, right, or these 6 awards. Now, okay, I will show you one. I hope you are able to see a image which I have, which is containing Subedar Yogendra Singh Yadav, who is currently 41 years old. This honorary captain Bana Singh, right, who is currently of 72 years old, and another PVC, Naib Subedar Sanjay Kumar, right. Very recently, he has promoted to Subedar, right. There had been a tragedy regarding this man, right. He was demoted, right. People are got promoted, but he was demoted, right, from Subedar, Naib Subedar to Havaldar, and there had been a great controversy. And then the highest rank officer, right, of army has to give the clarification regarding his demotion, but he said that no, it is not demotion, rather it was, and then that particular issue was resolved. Okay, what I wanted to make you understand here or notice, so you can notice these chakras, these chakras, these chakras, right?
Yes, the first batch, first chakra.
Yes, this is the PVC, this is PVC, but this is PVC. But apart from these, there are some other chakras, right? So here the point you should notice is nothing but these chakras are being owned only in the ceremonies, right? So whenever you are on your day-to-day worthy, right, day-to-day uniform, right, whatever your daily uniform you are having, you would not wear these kinds of chakras. Rather, you would be having that particular strips, right? So every time why I have shown you that strips you are considering, right? So that's what you will be considering. Now, just to summarize, so wartime gallantry awards, Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Veer Chakra, right? And then peacetime awards, you may consider as Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. Fine. Now, what I want to tell you, rather I advise you that whatever these names as like Colonel Yenje Nair, right? Then the 6 different names who have been awarded twice with the Mahavir Chakra. So you can find out these and some of the details regarding them, read their stories, right? See, already I have just initiated or I have told you some sort of informations, right? Some sort of incidents regarding all the PVCs, if I further go down for all these, it would be a time consuming. I don't want to give it, right? Rather, now I have initiated, so you may further proceed, right? And that would be making you studious, right, at your own. So that is my advice to you, and rather I wanted every one of you to follow this kind of pattern. Fine. So as far as summary of these 6 awards is concerned, you can categorize them as like these two, and further consider the equivalence of each of them, right? So you would be having a pair of first one, second one, third one in between these two categories. Fine. So that's what I can tell you, or that's what I wanted to bring to you. No doubt there are some other awards, but we will look them in the next session. Anything which you would like to ask about this one, or know more, or add up something, right? Or give your comment, or of any kind of query. If you have anything.
When were these medals originated?
Sorry,
When were these awards originated?
I'm not able to get you. Can you just say 3-4 words and pause?
Sir, when were these awards originated?
Oh, yes, very good thing. Uh, Commonly, I had put long back a point about their initiation, right? When they have been started. So on 4th of January 1952, all these awards, all these 6 awards have been initiated. Keep in mind, 4th of January 1952, but with effect 15th of August 1947. Right. So first award you can consider, and that's the reason why we have considered the yes, I could have commonly considered this point, but I thought that already I have told you about this one, so I haven't put that particular point in every award, but you may consider. Only thing is that there had been one amendment in 1967, particularly on 26th of January 1967, that earlier there had been the classes of Ashok Chakra. Ashok Chakra class 1, that is today's Ashok Chakra. Ashok Chakra class 2, that is today's Kirti Chakra, and Ashok Chakra class 3, that is Shaurya Chakra. So these names have been given in 1967, right? Precisely 26th of January 1967 onwards, these names have come in use. Earlier they were only Ashok Chakra class 1, class 2, class 3, likewise. Fine. So their initiation is on 4th of January 1952.
Okay, sir.
With effect from 15th of August 1947. Okay, anything else? My dear students, or I may say cadets, you will learn much more if you interact, right? So though you know some of the things, try to be in the mode of action, right? That is mode of speaking, right? However, you know the things or don't know the things, but बस ये मत करना कि हर चीज आपको पता है और फिर भी आप बोलते जा रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो उस केस में मुझे इम्प्रेस करने से कुछ नहीं होगा, ठीक है? क्योंकि जिसको हम इम्प्रेस कर सकते हैं वो तो अलग जेंडर होना चाहिए, ठीक है? सो उस वो एक बात ध्यान में रखना. देयर आर ऑलवेज 3 काइंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. आई ऑलवेज सेड दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. पहला क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले होते हैं जिनको किसी को ना जिनको आमतौर पे जेन्युइनली, राइट, जिनको आमतौर पे जेन्युइनली कुछ गेन करना होता है या फिर कुछ सीखना होता है, ठीक है? दूसरी कैटेगरी होती है, हाँ उसने क्वेश्चन पूछा है तो मैंने भी पूछना चाहिए, ठीक है? मतलब इट इज ए काइंड ऑफ रेस, ठीक है। और तीसरी कैटेगरी वो बहुत मजे वाली है। तीसरी कैटेगरी होती है कि वो किसी ना किसी को, शायद अपोजिट सेक्स को, या फिर उनकी मैडम जो है वो, जैसे मानिए वो भी एक लेडी है, राइट, अगर वो उनको इम्प्रेस करना चाहते हैं, तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली आपको पढ़ाने वाली कोई मैडम है नहीं, और आपकी क्लास में कोई लड़कियां है नहीं, तो मतलब सोच कर भी थर्ड कैटेगरी काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस में नहीं जाना है, ठीक है। यू हैव नो स्कोप, so that kind of thing you may consider. Okay, anyway, इसके अलावा और कुछ? Okay, if nothing else, then let's stop here. Thank you, everyone. Have a
Thank you, sir.
nice day.
Thank you, sir.
उस वेव कर्व मेथड के बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करेंगे स्टूडेंट।